Okie dokie, it's time to learn our first command that has to do with branching, and it's a pretty simple one. It is git branch, git space branch, nothing else. This will just give us a list of our current existing branches in a repo. So it doesn't make a new branch, it doesn't switch branches, it just shows you the current branches. In our case, we haven't made new branches, so we won't see anything except master. So I'm on my first novel for now. I'm going to make a new repository in a moment. If I type git branch, I see one branch, master. And to get out of here, just like with git log, I type q. Now I'll show you a different project. This repository has a couple more branches. If I type git branch, you can see them all here. Birds, birds of prey, California mammals, hawks, mammals, master, no animals, owls, stash test. I was testing something out there. You can see, though, there's a bunch of branches, but the one that is active has a little asterisk next to it. That's the branch we're currently on. So we see I'm on owls. And again, I can type Q to get out of here. So here on the My First Novel project, we only have master. I never made that branch. And it's the only branch we have, so we're on it. We don't really have a choice right now. But next up, we're going to learn how to make a new branch.